the reason why people are poor is because, certainly one of the reasons is because they have low levels of human capital. So their earning power is very low to minimum, and therefore they can't have a reasonable standard of living. Over 2/3 of the working population in Jamaica has no formal training. And you look at the unemployed persons, right? And there's a similar story, right? More than 50% of them have no formal training whatsoever. So they're not even prepared to work. So in other words, even if we were to get a significant amount of investment in this country, and we have had it, and you know, I'll go to that in a different point. Even if we were to get a significant amount of investment, these persons are just not employable. So they will forever be in poverty. Look at agriculture. A significant amount of persons who are considered poor, they are in agricultural communities, or they work in agriculture. So the value added in agriculture also needs to be improved. And that's where you start to speak about linkages with agriculture and tourism and so on and so forth. Right? But the main point is, right, that people need to be given an opportunity to earn a decent living. And that for me comes from education and training. We need a Marshall Plan in Jamaica for education and training. Many Jamaicans leave here and go abroad and make it. They go abroad, they go to the little evening schools, they attend little training things, you know, they work, and they work themselves up. Right? You can't do that in Jamaica. We don't have the kind of economy to facilitate that. People respond to incentive. If there was a way for people to become an accountant, if a ghetto youth, you know, he got up this morning and he could clearly see a way for him to become a successful accountant,
he would go for it.
He would go for it.
But some of them
I honestly believe that.